Hey, this is Pat from Rugged Ridge. I want to talk to you about our new JL steel tube fenders. This is an all-new replacement bolt-on tube fender option. It's a little bit wider, giving you a huge wheel opening, so you can put a much larger wheel and tire package on your JL without having to raise the vehicle up as much. The vehicle you see here has a 4-inch lift on it with 37-inch tires. Tons of space in here to be able to go off-road. Also showcases our aftermarket optional inner fender liners, which are powder-coated aluminum. We offer these as a front and a rear set. These have a 5-year warranty on them. They don't require any drilling for the installation. And as you can see, they can be painted to match, but they do come in a nice textured finish. So we're gonna have these available for you in early 2020. You're gonna see different steel fenders in the marketplace. One of the things that makes our product better is the functionality of being able to bolt it on without having to drill any holes. But we also incorporate a marker light that offers the front and the side marker, so you've got your coverage for your signals, and that helps with your approach angle, and it gives a nice design feature to this piece too. The other piece that makes this nice, you'll notice this fender is a little bit wider, so we painted to match this piece for the show, but it gives you a little bit better tire coverage without being tremendously wide. A lot of steel fenders that are on the market have gone very narrow, and in many states that's not legal. So we want to make sure you've got sufficient tire coverage and that you keep the side of the vehicle clean as much as possible.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.